It's right here. Oh, jeez.
Is he a goner?
No, he's stuck. Hey, kitty. Golly, dude.
When did you drive this last?
Look for the warmth when
Getting in that video, making me famous.
Yeah.
Since I put a bunch of controversial stuff.
Yeah.
That Checkers International says. Maybe I'll do something good. They'll let me back on the show.
Tag PETA. Meow.
Huh?
Boy, he caught the truck.
I have to stay there.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, he's like out of view now. He's not even there.
Did it! I did it! Did I? This is the second time saving a cat. Third time.
Oh.
Hey, yeah.
That's the flux won't take. It's a water leak. Yeah. But it was leaking all the way over there. It's gonna be hard to do.
like this and slide it in, and then attach this guy to it. And he is going to go back there. But we got to attach this piece. I'm glad I could meet with you guys today.